We believe Zoom is for everyone, and accessibility is at the heart of what we do. Zoom meetings and webinars offer free automatic live transcription. Simply click Live Transcript, then Enable. Zoom will immediately begin generating on-screen captions for whoever is speaking in the meeting. Click the caret next to the CC icon to reveal more options, including the ability to hide the subtitle, which any non-mobile user can do without impacting the view of others. Or View Full Transcript to show all recorded captions with timestamps. If enabled, these transcripts can be saved by anyone in the meeting. Click Subtitle Setting to increase or decrease the font size of your captions. This menu can be accessed via the Zoom desktop client at any time and includes a few other accessibility options. Check out the Screen Reader Alerts menu or the Chat Display Size options. Chats can be further customized within the platform. Before we leave the Settings menu, I want to point out a few more accessible options. You can use keyboard shortcuts for dozens of your most frequent actions on Zoom. Second, in the General menu, you can elect to see the desktop client in dark mode. Lastly, for a more inclusive experience, choose a custom reaction skin tone to be used across the platform. Next, we'll look at a few more in-meeting options with the help of my friends. First, a meeting host can spotlight up to 9 participants. They could spotlight a keynote speaker as well as a sign language interpreter, so they're both always in view for everyone. Or, any participant may pin another participant of their choice. If enabled by the host, they can also multi-pin. Alternatively, when in Gallery View, click and drag to create your own custom thumbnail order. If you're the meeting's host and it's part of a recurring series, you can even save that video order and reload it in a future instance. Focus mode can help minimize distractions. When enabled, the host and co-host can see all participant videos, whereas the participant can only see their own and that of the host or anybody else who's been spotlighted by the host. Some account plans can access language interpretation. Hosts can assign other participants as interpreters to translate in real time. Attendees can then choose to hear the translated audio with the original audio lowered or muted entirely. If you don't see a particular option we covered today, you may have a different account plan type or configuration. Or you may want to go double check some of your settings in the Zoom web portal. Learn more about these features and others in the Zoom Learning Center.